Hello friends, welcome to the Learning Club. In this tutorial, I am going to talking about Kotlin operators. I think now you are enjoying this course. So what are the Kotlin operators? Operators are used to perform operation on variable and values. So what is the operands? Operands is like 10 and 5 and plus, minus. These are simple operators. So here are the operators. You can use plus, minus, multiply, divide, modulus for determine the remainder, and increment operator, decrement operator. So now this is the assignment operator. So assignment operator is equal. So here are the equal, plus equal, minus equal, into equal, by equal, and modulus equal. That means here equal means is equal 10. That means you assign the value x as 10, and x plus equal 10, that means x equal x plus 10. I will show you the example, but these are the assignment operators. And now the comparison operator. So what are the comparison operator? When you are comparing two things, three things, so you need the comparison operator. So comparison operator always return the value as boolean, that means true or false. So here are the double equal, that means equal to type or value, and this not equal, and this is greater than, less than, greater or equal, and less or equal. Here are another type, logical operator. So these are the logical and logical or logical not, but I will use these in the logical statement like if. So let's go to the online code editor. So now just type play.kotlin.org. This is the online code editor of Kotlin. And now just remove this. And here I use var keyword for define a variable. And var x equal what? Var x equal 5. 5 for 2. I just assign a value to x equal to. And now create, not create another variable. I just use the plus and equal operator. So just type x plus equal 4. That means x equal x plus 4. So what is the value of x? This is the 2. So it will give 4 plus 2, that means 6. So just run that. So this is 6. This means x equal x plus 4. And here if I change this value, that means x equal 3 plus 4. That means 7. So it will give 7. And if I change this value to 10 and just use divide, that means x equal 10 by 4, not 4, I just use 5 here. 10 by 5, it will give 2. Okay, so this is the example of assignment operator. You can use it. And now come to the comparison operator. So here I just create another variable y. Just type var y, and var y equal n, and just print ln x equal y. So what it will return? It will return 2. And if I change value to y equal 11, then it will return false. You can see. Okay, so just here I use a string be learn, and here I also use be learn. Both are string type. Okay, so run this. So this is true. So if I change this to 1 and specify this as integer int, and now I specify this variable y as float. So just type float and just change the value 1f. And now if I run this, so what it will return? So cannot be applied int and float. Operator equal cannot be applied int and float. Okay, so if I remove this and just remove this and y equal 1 also, so what it will return? It will return true. But if I change this value 1.0, then what it will return? So operator equal cannot apply to int and double. So here I didn't mention mention yet, so it is a double data type. And if I mention here float, then I have to type here float, and here also just type if and just run. It will give the error. So operator equal cannot be applied to int and float. Okay. So in this way you can use the comparison operator. Okay, so now I just change the value x equal 5 and y equal 10. So here I just type x is less than 10. Sorry, x is less than y. So what it will return? So it will return true if I change this to less than or equal, and also return true. Okay, so just change it to 5. So if I run this, then it will also return true because x greater than x less than or equal to y. Okay, here x equal to y, so that's why it returns true. Okay, so remember logical operator double equal, you can only use int and in, but you cannot use between int and float or int and double. So remember this. Okay, that's it for the tutorial. See you in next video. Thank you, friends.